We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
You can access the Amazon Prime Video online on Nintendo Switch by using its URL www.primevideo.com. But Nintendo consoles won't allow you to enter specific URLs. Amazon Prime Video is one of the URLs. When you try to open the Amazon Prime using its URL, the Nintendo browser will refuse to load.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.